Do you have or can you share any real life examples of people or maybe yourself who paid more than necessary taxes because of lack of planning?
Yes.
Mm,
Um,
good
some of
question.
my clients every year end up paying probably more than they need to. One, because they may forget certain items, especially folks who have some form of self-employment income.
Mhm.
You know, they're like, okay, they're not keeping their books on a weekly basis or monthly basis. I at least advise all my clients, do your books the last Sunday of the month. Take 15, 20 minutes last Sunday of the month. Tell the guys if it's football season, that period between the 4 o'clock game and the 8:30 game, do the books. Hey, um, it only takes a short period of time. This way, because if you're waiting to the end of the year, you're going to forget half of what you've done.
Yep.
Okay. You
Yep.
may have traveled to
Yep.
a conference. Well, you may now have forgotten some of the expenses you incurred when you traveled to that conference. You know what you spent for your airfare, you know what you spent on the hotel, but you forgot some of the other items that you had to purchase. Little things throughout the course of the year. Do I have to buy ink for my printer? Do I have to buy paper for my printer? You may forget that. So this is in mileage. We always seem to overlook the miles we drive in association with our business.
Mm.
It's tax deductions you could be missing out on. So those are things I always try to be mindful of my clients. Please keep up with these items. They're very simple items, but keep up with them.
They are simple, but what would you say for those who have receipts? How do we keep what are your suggestions for keeping receipts that we get for our business? Maybe in a Google Doc?
Google Doc, a spreadsheet, QuickBooks, once again, any form of accounting software is perfect. Last thing that you want to do at tax time is have a pile of receipts. And now you're trying to
Woo!
go through the receipts at tax time. That
That's
doesn't work.
that's me until I got with Kenneth. Yes, full disclosure, Kenneth is my tax accountant.
Well, and look, and I'm glad that you got him. I was just sitting here thinking to myself, I might have to give Kenneth a call.